Will AI replace architects? Well, that's for you to feel in. But let me tell you, I don't believe AI will replace architects. I believe AI will actually support architects to make more informed decisions and create more stunning visuals and designs. But to come to a point where AI will replace architects, I don't see that happening. And this is my reason. Do you know when you are using an AI? Well, let me start from design. When we're talking about design has to do with a lot of process. It has to do with ideologies, concepts. It has to do with functionality. It has to do with even the client's emotion. It has to do with creativity. Now, AI can be useful in the area of creativity, but when it comes to understanding the concept, the reason, the emotion, we don't all own homes for the same reason. There are people who just need a place to stay. I just need a house where I can live with my family and I'm okay. No matter how you build it, I don't care. I just need a place. That's somebody's need at that point. And somebody else, a client, might just be the fact that this is my cost and this is the location I want. And so you have to also factor the cost and the location into what you are designing. There are some locations that have iconic buildings and historical elements that your design must adapt to. You don't just take the design out of the context of the environment. All these, you need to actually train your AI to be able to factor all this into it, right? So if you just sit down on your PC or your phone and just type your prompt and then AI just give you a very appealing design, you might be missing those key factors. And so AI will not be able to replace architects. Somebody have to put in those prompts. Somebody have to be able to tell the AI what to generate. You can't think for yourself, right? Somebody have to be the one to put in all those commands. At the point, I became worried when I saw the trend that AI was going, and I felt like, okay, what's the need of just staying in this profession that's going to be override by AI in a very short time? And I really wanted to abandon my career, my architectural, and then switch into a different career that I seem to be more sustainable. And I realized this AI thing is everywhere, is in all careers, right? In fact, I now realize that even my career has a more tendency of not being replaceable by AI than the one I was trying to move into. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So AI will not replace architects. However, if you are going to stay relevant in the future, having that hands-on skill is going to be very, very important. In fact, I foresee that in the employment process of the future, if you're an architect and you don't have any skill in AI, you may not be employed. I see very soon HRs and companies requesting for your AI skill. What tools do you use? What AI tools do you know how to use? Because that's going to become very important in the design process as we grow.